Hello and welcome to part 2 in Understanding Blogger. Right now I'm in the Create a Post section. Every blog will need a title, text, and adding images and video are options. So I'm going to create a very simple post to show you the options in the taskbar. Just like in Word, I can highlight and change the font. I can make the text bigger or smaller. I can put it in bold, italics, even change the color of the font. I can highlight a word and create a hyperlink. I can justify the text, create a numbered list, a bulleted list. If you're using a longer quote, you can do block quotes. Of course, with students, a great feature would be the spell check feature. I can add an image. There's actually two options when you add images. You can pick an image directly from your computer, or if the student finds the image on the internet, they can actually just copy and paste the URL address. This is a little better option because you don't have to save, for one, and two, you're giving credit to where the image was originally found. You can choose the layout and you can choose the image size. I really wouldn't recommend anything larger than medium. You do have to accept the terms and services on how you're uploading images, and then it's a simple choice of uploading. I'll do that right now. Videos, you can add your own videos if you created a video. Please make sure though that if it's a video of students that you have permission forms signed, that parents have given their permission to have videos of their children posted on the web. Definitely an issue of safety. Say for instance a student finds an educational video on YouTube and they want to include it in their post. It can actually be done. Click on the Edit HTML, and on YouTube there are actually what's called an embed code off to the right hand side. All you have to do is copy and paste the embed code into this block right here, and then your video will show up. Go back to Compose. I can click Preview if I want to get an idea of what it'll look like on the blog. Post options. The biggest two ones: allow reader comments or don't. I really recommend at the beginning, don't allow comments. Just let them practice the blogging process. Once you have an opportunity to discuss comments and what is appropriate and not, then you may choose to add comments. The only thing about comments is, as the teacher, you'll have to probably go back and read them on a constant basis. So if you're not really willing to invest the time in, just go ahead and don't allow comments. You can either save it and not publish it. That might be an option if you like to read the student's post before it goes out, or you can just go directly to publish post. And you can actually see what it looks like in the new window. Like for instance, that looks a little dark. I may want to go back and change that purple text as well. This is the basics. I really recommend going back and reviewing all these features. There's layouts and such that you can add gadgets to it. Just play around with it. Blogger is very friendly and you can add a lot of features without really knowing a lot of advanced tech knowledge. So give Blogger a try. Let your kids actually create their learning and have fun.